तो हेलो गाइस, कैसे हैं आप? आई एम फाइन. दिस इज जे जे एंड यू आर वाचिंग जे जे स्टार. So guys, today we are going to learn about how to make Ayurvedic kada. So friends, as you all know how deadly corona is killing people, hospitals are full of patients. No medicine has been yet made for the treatment of corona. The vaccine is stop it only from happening, not a cure. So as in this way, Ayurvedic kada is the best treatment for corona. So not taking much of your time, let's start. So first of all, let's know about ingredients. To make a kada for 2 persons, we need 5 or 6 basil leaves, 4 or 5 cloves, 4 or 5 black pepper, 1 lemon, small piece of ginger, 1 teaspoon honey, a piece of giloy and 3 cup water. First, grind black pepper, cloves, ginger, giloy and basil leaves with the help of mortar and pestle. Now boil water in a steel bowl. When water starts boiling completely, then add all the grinded ingredients and let it boil for more 5 or 7 minutes. Then take it off the gas stove and let it cool down. Now add honey and lemon juice and then sieve it through a sieve. So your Ayurvedic kada is now ready. Drink it hot. So friends, how did you like my video today? Please like, subscribe and have fun.